In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Perplexity AI app. If you want quicker access to Perplexity without opening a browser tab every time, installing it as an app is a simple option. This method lets you create an app-like version directly from the website, so it feels more convenient to open and use regularly. To get started, go to the Perplexity AI website in your browser. Make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, because the installation option usually appears in the browser menu once the site is recognized properly. When you're on the website, look for the three-dotted menu icon in the top right area of your browser window and click it. This opens the main browser menu where you'll find several settings and tools. If your browser window is small, the layout may look a little different, but the menu is still usually in the same general place. From that menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Cast, Save and Share, and click on it. This section groups together browser actions related to sending content, saving access, or creating shortcuts. Take your time here, because depending on your browser version, you may need to scroll a little further than expected. Next, click Install Page as App. This is the option that allows the Perplexity website to be installed as a standalone app experience on your device. In other words, instead of opening inside a normal browser tab, it can launch in its own dedicated window, which many people find cleaner and easier to use. After selecting that option, a small confirmation window should appear. At this point, click Install. Once you do that, your browser will begin creating the app version of Perplexity. This usually only takes a few seconds. After installation is complete, the app may open automatically. If it doesn't, you can usually find it in your applications list as Start Menu or Desktop, depending on the device you're using. From then on, you can launch Perplexity just like a regular app, which makes everyday access much faster. One helpful tip is to pin the app to your taskbar or dock after installing it, especially if you plan to use it often. That way, it's always just one click away. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Perplexity AI app using your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.